Clouds and shadow whispers on the dim-lit lane. Wet leaves murmuring secrets, calling through the rain. Footsteps on the soaked fields, echoes from the past. Found a heart like mine in twilight's gentle cast. Mist veils our faces in a gentle, cool embrace. Raindrops painting stories, paths we used to trace. Your eyes, a distant dream, melding with the storm. In this downpour reverie, love begins to form. Oh, rainy day rapture in a world so gray. Found a spark of wonder in the storm's ballet, drenched in wild magic beneath the sky's tears. Love blooms in the rainfall, casting away our fears. Mist veils our faces in a gentle, cool embrace. Raindrops painting stories, paths we used to trace. Your eyes, a distant dream, melding with the storm. In this downpour reverie, love begins to form. Oh, rainy day rapture in a world so gray. Found a spark of wonder in the storm's ballet, drenched in wild magic beneath the sky's tears. Love blooms in the rainfall, casting away our fears. Puddles hum a tune in liquid harmony, lost in simple splendor, just you and me. Hands entwined like lifelines, born anew from rain. Each drop a silent promise, we'll find peace again. Shadows dance like spirits in twilight's mystic hue. Raindrops fall like memories, washed in morning dew. Laughter in the thunder, a whispered gentle plea. In the rain, sweet sorrow forever, you and me. Veils of mist and wonder cloak our hidden path. Every drop a story, every moment lasts. Beneath the rain-kissed willows, tender truths refrain. A love reborn in rainfall washes away our pain. Puddles hum a tune